Hurricane Heist is an actual movie coming out this week in wide release all over the world. It's the actual title of the movie. This is the actual poster, and the movie is actually about a hurricane that is so out of control that a group of robbers takes advantage of this situation to try and rob the treasury of the United States located in a very small town. Maggie Grace, who works for the treasury, eventually teams up with Toby Kebbell, who's this dude who goes after tornadoes, or hurricanes in this case of course, but not necessarily because he's a hurricane chaser. He's the dude who checks the category number of how vicious the hurricane is. That's the plot of the film. And today I'm doing something different. This will have spoilers for the movie if you care, because Hurricane Heist. I'm going to tell you 5 things that actually happen in this movie, starting with number 1, right in the beginning of this movie, just for you to know what kind of movie you're in before the title card even comes on. 2 brothers, the younger versions of Toby Kebbell and Ryan Kwanten, who is his brother, they are in the middle of a hurricane in 1992, and the hurricane takes down a house that they are in, and as soon as they look up, amongst the winds of the hurricane, a skull face shows up to yell at them and disappears. Then the title of the movie shows up. You kinda know what you are in for after that. Second thing that actually happens in this movie is that Maggie Grace, who works for the treasury, is actually there forcefully because she was something before that is not explained in the movie, and when they're exposing her backstory, kind of leaving little hints of what we're going to find out about her, they say that she screwed up, she killed someone. That's all we're left with. Eventually, in the movie, there comes the big moment for the reveal. And the reveal is that she screwed up, she killed someone. Those are actual lines of dialogue in this film. Third thing that actually happens in this film is that Toby Kebbell and Maggie Grace, who are running against time to try and save his brother who has been kidnapped by the robbers, and they have to outrun this hurricane that is coming into town. Because of the constant rain and sound of water around them as they are driving in this car, Toby Kebbell needs to stop because he needs to take a piss. And that asks the question, why don't we see our characters in action movies, in Marvel movies, in Star Wars movies going to the bathroom more often? Because of this. Fourth thing that happens in this film is that Ben Cross, who's a sheriff in this town, is actually working with the robbers. That's a big reveal in this film. And then just so happens that every cop under him is working with him to get this money from the treasury. So here comes this moment of the big reveal, and an actual line of dialogue is, "I had a plan within a plan." But the best thing about this is that once this happens, you realize, holy shit, every single policeman in this town is corrupt, and they just wanted to evacuate the town just because they wanted to get the money. It's a special kind of bad movie. And I left the best thing for last in this film. The fifth thing that actually happens in the Hurricane Heist is that Toby Kebbell and Maggie Grace eventually need to stop to reevaluate what plans they have to try and get the money and Toby Kebbell's brother away from these robbers. They stop at his brother's shop, and then suddenly she is hungry, so they start eating peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Wait for it. The conversation then turns into actually discussing which brand of peanut butter he puts on his sandwiches. And then it actually devolves into what kind of jelly he puts in his sandwiches. That's an actually really long scene. That's an actual conversation that was written into a script for a Hollywood movie that is in wide theaters right now. The Hurricane Heist. Didn't put it on the list, but the skull face on the hurricane shows up at the end and it kind of dissipates, meaning that it's dead somehow and it's not haunting these brothers anymore after killing their father, even though their father was killed by a water tank rolling on the ground and not necessarily due to the hurricane. And also, Toby Kebbell's brother in this film, Ryan Kwanten, is named Breeze. The Hurricane Heist, my friends. So yeah, It's a very special kind of bad movie, and you shouldn't see it, at least if you're paying money for it, you shouldn't see it. But if you ever get your hands on it on Netflix or on VOD or any other platform, get some friends around and get drunk watching it, because The Hurricane Heist is cinematic excrement. So guys, let me know what you thought of this new format of reviewing bad movies, special kinds of bad movies, because I just wanted to do something different, something more simple. So let me know in the comments, how did you enjoy it, how did you not? My last reviews in this house coming tomorrow will be for Jessica Jones Season 2 and Star Wars Rebels. Thank you so much once more, you guys are the best, and so until the next reviews, you stay beautiful, you stay geeky, and if you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button and the bell so you can be geeky united!